my aim in life. I have an attraction for the legal profession. Since my boyhood, my aim was to be a good and honest lawyer. This profession is highly respectable and no less paying. A lawyer is respected everywhere. He is a prominent figure in public life. Motilal Nehru, Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das, and many others were great and ideal lawyers of our country, and they loyally served the country. Deshbandhu would not take fees from the poor client. He had a big heart. I would follow him. So when I become a lawyer, I would stand by the poor client of my village. My parents are happy with my aim.